Welcome back to Rising. A Charlotte doctor swapping in an apron for her lab coat as she embraces her new identity as the physician in the kitchen. I caught up with Dr. Monique May to learn about what inspired her to help people improve their health, starting with what they put in their stomachs.
So there was this little thing called the pandemic in 2020.
Back in 2020, Dr. Monique May says she realized more than half her life was gone.
That was the year that I turned 50, and I just really wanted to be healthier in the last half of my century. I have all the scary things in the family history, the cancers, the heart disease, lost both grandmothers to heart disease in their 60s. So really just wanted to be as healthy as I could.
That starts with food. She embraced the plant-based life and made it her mission to fix America's health one plate at a time.
So I think when we can read food labels and understand what's in those labels, it doesn't sound like something in a science lab.
A lot of the recipes, like the one she's cooking today, came from the dish's namesake, her grandmother, Hattie Louise.
She basically fed people all her life. She was a mother of 10. She was a lunch lady in the school and also at a hospital. And so she cooked. And so this is my homage to her recipe, which featured ground beef. So we're swapping out the lentils for ground beef and just making it with a little bit healthier.
Dr. May's vegan spin on the meal includes ingredients she formulated herself, like her W sauce.
So basically, I looked at the list of ingredients and was like, yeah, I can make that. Got in the lab, or my kitchen, as I like to refer to my kitchen, and literally came up with this recipe. And I'm proud to say we are the lowest in salt on the market, and we're actually going to be coming out with a soy-free version, so I'm super excited about that.
Available at big-name grocery stores in the region like Food Lion, and she's not stopping there.
I'm coming out with a barbecue sauce soon and a plant-based poultry-flavored seasoning, so more to come.
One plate and one bite at a time, Dr. May says she'll continue to pursue her passion of health and wholesome foods to as many as she can.
I am so excited to be able to share with people. I've gone from the exam room where I was one-on-one with people for years to now being able to speak to a platform.
In Charlotte, Chris Gilmore, WCCB News.